Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to a ringtone on Android. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here are the few steps to set up custom ringtone on an Android phone. Open the setting app on your Android phone. Scroll down and select sounds and vibrations or sound. Tap phone ringtone or ringtone. Here you can see. And here you can see I have different ringtones. If you're adding custom ringtones, select the audio file from your phone storage or download a ringtone from the internet. Let me select that one. Once you have selected the ringtone, tap save or OK to set it as your default ringtone. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.